A Maserati Ghibli was destroyed after colliding with train in Massachusetts. According to reports, the driver made a left turn as a Green Line train made its way into the intersection. The train hit the pricey Italian car, ripping into the left side of the vehicle and mangling the once beautiful bodywork. Thankfully, the blue-painted Ghibli is the only casualty in this incident. There were no recorded injuries. The Maserati owner was clearly shaken up by the violent accident. Several of the airbags deployed on impact, suggesting this was a fairly violent crash. But the Maserati appears to have put up quite a fight, and while the driver's side was considerably damaged, the right side of the vehicle sustained some damage as well, with the force of the train proving too much for the rear wheel, which was ripped off.